Welcome to Kiuna, the only First Nations college in Quebec, designed by and for First Nation, but open to all. We are located in Odanak in the region of Centre du Québec, 30 minutes from Trois-Rivières and Drummondville, and halfway between Quebec City and Montreal. Kiuna is an inspiring and safe place to live and to study, a welcoming environment that combines a rich cultural life with personalized educational and psychosocial services. We also have student housing, including family apartment, local transportation, as well as between Trois-Rivières and Kiuna. At Kiuna, our mission is to reinforce Indigenous culture, identity, and values, to provide culturally adapted educational services, and to shape competent, socially responsible citizens who are open to the world. At Kiuna, you have the choice between two types of programs: pre-university programs if you wish to continue on to university, and career and technical program leading directly to the job market. We have two pre-university programs: First Nation Social Science, which, through a partnership with St. Paul University in Ottawa, allows you to obtain both your college and your bachelor's degree in 4 instead of 5 years. Our second program, Art, Literature, and Communication, gives you two options: First Nation languages or the Indigenous cinema option. All our courses are both rooted in Native traditions and looking towards to the contemporary world. Kiuna is the only college that allows French second language courses to be replaced with an Indigenous language course. If you are hesitating in your choice of program, or if you are missing 10 credits or less to obtain your secondary school diploma, our Springboard Program is for you. Our programs in special education are adapted to First Nation contexts and realities. It prepares students to support people who have adaptation difficulties and require special assistance for their well-being. At Kiuna, we favor interactive and dynamic teaching. Your courses will take place in classrooms equipped with the latest technology, as well as outdoors. Our dynamic teaching teams uses a variety of pedagogical approaches such as talking circles, artistic creation, talks and workshops with elders, and field trips. In addition, Kiuna offers distance and face-to-face courses.